Hi, I'm Krista Toller.
And I'm Michael Harbridge, and we're with Mako, and we get questions all the time about Rapid Roll and why we developed this product and how is it best used.
We developed Rapid Roll because it is a convenient product to use to get glaze inside of a piece, such as a vase or a bowl, quickly and effectively without having to thin traditional glazes.
And it's really easy to use. It comes in a squeeze bottle, so you want to make sure that you shake it really well, and then you can actually just squeeze it right into the shape that you're working with, and you can roll it around if you can see on the inside. If you need to, you can go like this and shake it. And once you've got the inside coated, you can dump that excess glaze out into a bowl or container. You never want to dump it back into the bottle, and you can reuse that on other pieces if you're rolling at the same time, and that's how easy it is to use.
Rapid Roll is also a really great time saver. So say you're going into the busy season and you have a lot of pieces that need to have glaze on the inside, you could knock this out, then they're ready to go. Your customer can come in and just start decorating the outside. They're really effective at using with glazes such as jungle gems and elements.
We've had some people talk to us about pieces splitting, and sometimes when you use a product like elements and jungle gems on the outside, some people have a tendency to use stroke and coat on the inside. And because stroke and coat is such a stiff glaze, and products like elements and jungle gems are a little bit more fluid, sometimes that tension between the colors can cause pieces to split. And so Rapid Roll is a really good option to use on the inside of those pieces. It's not a guarantee. There's no guarantee that pieces won't split, because things like the thickness of color application, the way that it's fired, and sometimes even the shape of the piece can have an effect with the tension when those pieces are being fired.
That's right. There's more information on our website about Rapid Roll. There's even a video that Mike created with marbling with Rapid Roll, so check that out as well. Have fun.